Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you how I have renovated my kitchen. Yes, this time the project was about my kitchen. The time estimated was like 4 weeks, but of course it took me longer than that time. You know how I work: mistakes, rectify mistakes, mistakes, rectify mistakes. But eventually, good news is that I have completed my project and I am so happy about it. As you all know, last year I have been working on my van. I have converted it into camper van, and which took me one whole year. So I always keep in front of me the next project I want to do. With doing this van, my next project was to work on the garden, but due to the weather, it's too hot nowadays, I have decided to work on the kitchen. Let's dive into the video. Okay, let me introduce you my assistant helper, Mr. Shiru. Yeah! Well, he is very shy and well, he is sleepy. As you can see, he's just rubbing his eyes and cleaning himself. He's more busier than me. Hello, Shiru. Come on, Shiru, everyone is waiting for you. Shiru, say hello. Say hello to everyone, Shiru. Now, since you have heard hello from Shiru, let's crack on to the work. To clean my cabinets, I'm mixing here baking soda with fairy, and then I am gonna just mix it thoroughly, and I'm gonna just rub it on all the oil surface. You see, anywhere there is an oil, just put it there and leave it for at least 2 hours to get dried. And then I have mixed some white vinegar with water just to spray everything afterward. Here, after leaving it for 2 hours, I have started rubbing the oil and cleaning it with the vinegar water. And trust me, this method was so easy and very good to work. Try it before you buy any other chemicals. What I'm gonna do is put it in the bin bag, instant liner. It will save my time of washing the tray afterwards. Look at my assistant helper. What is he doing? He's fast asleep. Should I wake him up? You're supposed to help me. What? You already tired? Oh yeah, you helped me a lot. It's not even a break time yet, Shiru. Okay, Shiru. After you finish your break, get back to the work. Otherwise, you will be fired. Here I have started painting my walls first. And this was the best color. I thought after putting the lights, the LED lights, this color will brighten up. So I have painted all the walls in the kitchen with this dark green. After I have finished all of it, it looked very nice. I mean, I was pleased about it. But I hope that after it gets dried, it will brighten up a little bit, because it looked a little bit dark. But then again, I was thinking about putting LED lights, so I thought it should be okay.
1 week later.
Okay, after I have finished my paint, I have discovered that there was a leakage somewhere here under the sink, and I have called the plumbers. They have fixed it for me, but as you can see, the whole cabinet is just rotten, and I don't know how to fix it because of this obstacle. And I can't move the bottom plywood as well because of, again, this middle obstacle. So I'm gonna just either paint it all over again, or I might cover it with plastic sheets. Door connector is all rotten, so I've got this cover. I bought it from Amazon. I'm gonna try to put it here, stick it here somehow, and then with this I'm gonna just connect the door hook. Here I am trying to cover this cabinet with 3mm plywoods because I couldn't take out all these sheets and they are very wet. So I thought, okay, let's just cover them with extra plywoods. And the side I have covered with the plywood as well. Here I have started painting the first door of my cabinets. I took it out and it was really difficult to take it out because all the screws were rusted and the hinge was broken. I don't know what I'm gonna do about that. So I have finished painting here 2 doors which looked bright and nice. So I have decided I'm not gonna take off the doors anymore because the hinges, the screws are rusted and it will take more time to get them fixed. This hinge was broken, so I thought, okay, I'll put a new hinge here. And to put a new hinge, I have switched off the camera. Without camera, I have managed to fix this hinge. This was before and this is after. Yay! Good job, Rui, well done. And then it took me like 2 hours to fix this door. But overall, this is my 1 day work. I have achieved all of this corner in 1 day working only. So these are the rest of the cabinets, and I have decided not to take off any of the doors because that will take longer to fix them back. So this is what is left to do. What is this, Shiru? I thought you were helping me out. You are not gonna get paid for this. Well, have I employed you to sleep? Okay. You are fired. That's it. I don't need you. I'm gonna look for another assistant helper. Okay, Shiru? You are fired. If anyone is interested to be my assistant helper, please go ahead and apply for it. Yeah. No, I don't need any of your help. No, I don't need you anymore. Oh no, please, you stay there. You stay there. Bye. You're not coming in. You're fired. Bye. Bye.
Day 4.
After firing Sheru, I have decided to start painting my tiles. I was very excited to paint them because this was something new for me to do. So I thought, okay, let's do this new experience. And I found it really beautiful thing. I was so excited to see the end result of it. So here I'm using this soft gray satin, wall tile and paneling paint. And sometimes I had to use the brush and sometimes I had to use the roll. I found doing with brush was easy than the rolls. I find that the rolls just suck the paint a lot into them. I don't know. So I have used both. Okay, first coat is done and dusted. It still needs to get dried, so we leave it for some time and then I'll start doing the second coat. I am surprised to see Shiro is drinking water because he never drank the water and he always ran away from it. I am really surprised to see that. And this is not first time. Since morning, this is like third or fourth time. Meanwhile, I wasn't happy about this green paint because I wanted something to brighten up my kitchen. So I have decided to change the color into yellow. So I'm using here vanilla Sunday silk to brighten up my walls. Hopefully it will look nice.
Eventually.
Here we go. After completing the second coat of my paint and all the walls in yellow, this is how is the result. So I am so excited because it looks so gorgeous. I mean, it looks so stunning. Look at the walls. They were shining, and look at the cabinets. How shining they are. I didn't believe it at first, but then I was like, I have to sing this good news because everything was completed. And look at that, the walls. Look at the tiles. And here I have just covered everything in gray with the window. And yeah, everything looked so beautiful. Look at this. I didn't believe it at first, but yellow and gray, I think they look best. Here I have bought some LED lights and I wanted to fix them under this cabinet to make some lights around both sides. Hey! And this is the second one. Hey! This is how it looks like after the lights, and not bad. I have to remove that corner light from there. Right here, I'm putting tape around the table because I need to fill in the gap. Right, with the peeling off the tapes, my paint have come off, so obviously I have to repaint my tiles again. Well, the way I have filled it in, I was really satisfied and happy. This was the easiest method to fill it in. So yeah, I was pleased with my job. Only the thing is, I have to repaint the tiles again. Alright, so this is the final touch. Let me show you everything together. Look at the cabinets, how shining they are. Do you see any sign of oil anywhere? No. And look at the tiles, man. Oh my god. Overall, I'm so proud of myself that I have renovated. Let me show you before and after effects. Okay, let's go for it. This is before. And boom, this is after. Wow, look at that, man. Oh my god. And this is before. Yeah, look at the tiles. And this is after. Right, this is before again, tiles and the cabinet. And this is after. I'm so excited that my finish has been. So guys, I hope you have enjoyed watching this video. I'm so excited that I have finished this project. And this naughty boy, I have fired him in the video. Yes, you should watch that, why I have fired him as my assistant helper. Right, Cheru? Right, Cheru? I have fired you because you are not helping me out. This naughty boy was fired. Right, so guys, my next project is to work in the garden. I have started digging some of the corners to put my new plants there. And I have started building a small wall which was broken. So I hope to see you in my next video. Till next time, you look after yourself. Bye-bye. Say bye, everyone. Bye. Give a kissy. Give a kissy to them. Say bye. 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 Bye-bye. Bye. Bye. Mwah. Let's go.